This is how to do a school sound effect, like sticky notes, sticking them together or rubbing a piece of paper. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go like that, and then go like that, and then go like. And there you go. You made your own sound effect. Good job. Like and subscribe. Now look me in the eyes. Now look me in the nose. Promise you'll like and subscribe.